Alexa, what are you playing with?
My birthday.
Birthday cake?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it today?
God.
Close. It's Jesus' birthday.
Jesus go.
Can you sing happy birthday, Jesus?
And what more short?
Can you sing happy birthday to Jesus?
Happy birthday, Jesus.
That's it?
Yeah.
Did you make him a birthday cake with candles?
Yeah.
How old is Jesus?
3.
3. Not quite sure about 3. Can you sing?
2.
2? Maybe. Can you sing happy birthday, Jesus again?
Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jesus. 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 Happy birthday, Jesus.
Did you get presents for Jesus' birthday?
Yeah.
Who brought you presents?
God.
God did? Yeah. Did he deliver them or did Santa?
Santa.
Who pulls Santa's sleigh?
Mama, ho, ho, ho.
Do the reindeer pull his sleigh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, let's hope my Jesus, my birthday.
You putting on candles for the birthday?
Yeah. Can't remember my birthday. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus.
You do a very good job singing that for Jesus. Can you blow me a kiss so I can shut this off?
Yeah.
Blow kisses. You're just going to come give me one. Mwah.